This video is about trust indicators in Teams. I'm Paul Keizers and I help businesses with Teams, SharePoint and Copilot for a living. That's why you can be sure that after watching this video you will know a lot more about these trust indicators. First I want to ask you, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my email list. You can do this down at the YouTube description. There's a link there and then you can subscribe to that. Thanks. Yes, trust indicators, they are in preview at the moment of this recording, and I wanted to talk about them because I think it's really necessary to know a bit more about them. So that's why I already opened the website, and this website is still says also it's preview, it's public preview. You will see that there are some trust indicators. I think it will also go further than just Teams, but for now it's only Teams, at least that's what I've seen. And you got several indicators, and here's an overview of what the indicators do and what they look like. But I think the main thing is, when you, depending on your organization, you have a lot of external domains or you don't have a lot of external domains. If you have a lot of external domains, you may not use this setting because you think, okay, it should be open for everybody. But some organizations block domains and only have a few that are really trusted by their organization. Now, for a user, and maybe you are this user, it can be very like, okay, what does this mean? So that's why I thought, okay, I have to record this video really quickly and show you what it's doing. So here I'm going to Teams, and you already see that Debbie is a verified user because she has let's hold it for one bit. She's part of a trusted organization, so she's added to the trusted domains. Now, if I want to create a new chat, I can directly, oh, not this one, I have to copy this one for a minute. Now, you directly see that Paul in this case is also a verified user and also trusted. So now I'm going to add Debbie. Let's do the external account, and let's just say group name demo trusted indicators. And let's see if I start here, what you see, because I'm not going to send it directly, but you would think, if your organization only has these trusted indicators, what does this mean? It still has an explanation mark, and that is not that it's not trusted, but it's that there are people of another organization in this chat, so be careful about it. But for me it's a bit like, okay, and I'm going to give my true honest meaning, but I would expect, even though it's external, that it would have this V sign that it's trusted, but it doesn't have that. Now, this is one thing, but next to it, I may want to add an external, which my organization, let's, I don't know the address directly. Yeah, let's do let's do this. Paul. Let's do this. I want to add a dummy Paul 123, and you see it's a guest, but 123 at proton.me. You see it's a guest, but when I try to search it externally, it will say I cannot find it because the domain is not trusted. So that's something that's also very important to know. But as you can see, in my case, dummy is a guest, so it's already added to our organization in this case. So somebody in the IT department added it as a guest in their entra. So you can still communicate, but for the person itself, it's harder to see, okay, what's happening. Now, I want to show you how these domains are set up and how to change this. To do that, we go to the admin.teams.microsoft.com. By the way, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. We are here in the admin center, and here you see that we have users. Then we go to external settings, and here you see in this case there are two domains that are specified that are allowed. Now, when I change this back to allow all domains, you will see that this is gone. And I can set some more settings depending on how you work. You can even say a security team and then save it and confirm. And this will take a while, so I won't be able to show you directly. But what I would suggest, but it's a suggestion actually more to Microsoft, is when I want to add somebody to the domain, or when they send a message to me, for example, they get like this organization doesn't allow you to send a message to them. But what I would like to have is a button that says, okay, you want to, he exists or she exists, but you want to have an button that says request to add this domain by admin, and then the admin can add it. Now, there's of course a different thing that of course doesn't work, because if you have a Hotmail or like a Proton or Gmail, you won't, your organization, if they have the domain whitelisting, then your admin will not add a Hotmail address or a Gmail address or a Proton address as an external user, because that would mean everybody with a Hotmail address would have access to this. So that's what I wanted to show you. Let's just quickly refresh Teams and see if it's already possible to add this as a external. It doesn't do it. Let's see a different. Now I can add Paul as external. It gets the explanation mark, and as you may have seen, and this takes also a while, but this will also change back to this explanation mark that it's not trusted, and your organization will also see that. So let's just put a message here, and let's hover over again, and now you see it's neither trusted or blocked by your organization. So this is what I want to see, let you show, let you see, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.